Let's start at the registration page. In your browser, go to the sign up URL your agency shared with you, or click Sign Up from the login page. You'll see a short form asking for your name, organization name, email, phone, and a password. I'll fill these in now. First name, last name, organization name, email, phone number, and a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters. Have one capital and lowercase letters, a number, and a symbol. We require a strong password because this is a real billing account with a card on file. You'll also see a checkbox or interactive puzzle at the bottom. That's just the bot check. Click it to confirm you're human. Now I click Sign Up. Full Force Ads sends a confirmation email to make sure that the email address really belongs to you. Let me switch over to my inbox. Here it is. The subject line is Verify Email Address, and it comes from your agency's sending address. If you don't see it right away, check your spam folder. Occasionally, the first message from a new sender ends up there. I click the Verify Email Address button in the email, and it takes me back to the Full Force Ads and logs you in. Now I log in with the email and password I just registered. First time in, you'll land on the dashboard. Don't worry that it looks empty. You have no campaigns yet, so every stat card shows 0 and the charts are flat. That's expected. Once we launch a campaign in a few minutes, these will start filling in. Take a quick look at the left sidebar. That's your navigation. Dashboard, organization, reports, campaigns, cards, invoices, and at the bottom, your audiences section with events, retargeting, and tags. We'll visit each of these in order.